Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. All kinds of dramas. Nifty, GIFT Nifty was indicating 26,600 at the highest point of the day. That was about 1,400 point from yesterday's closing. And then market opened, and then within first few minutes, the market started falling. That was expected. The people, who buy options, like 10 rupees, 15 rupees, that has gone to 700, 800 rupees. They were trying to book the profit at any price. I think some of the options, triggered at less than the intrinsic value today. Many stockbroking companies' website did not work. I think that is a blessing in disguise for option sellers. And by the time their system started working, the market has come down significantly. So finally, we can say it's roughly about 1,000 point up and 500 point down. So 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now let us come back to some important levels. Number one, January month, the first 3 trading session and Nifty shot up. I think the high was 26,373. That was the highest point. So today, despite this big rally, the Nifty did not cross that level. So India-US trade deal is a great deal, but still Nifty did not even take 1 month high. So that shows that, now, although because the markets have fallen so much because of this STT in the budget, and then, shooting up 1,000 point, but positionally, still we are not out of the woods. So that's number one. So Nifty could not even take 1 month high. Bank Nifty, also the same, took the intraday high, but on a closing basis, it did not close at all-time high today. Next, the December month, the swing low was 25,700. And then from there, Nifty shot up to 26,400. And then people thought that 25,700 is going to be a very big support. But the Nifty came crashing down, fell more than 1,000 points. And today, it shot up, but profit booking came at higher levels. But Nifty was struggling around 25,700. So Nifty coming to 25,700, some support came, moved to 25,800, again selling came 25,700, again moved to 25,800. So this is the game for the last 2 hours. That means from 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So which means that probably the domestic institutions do not want Nifty to close below 25,700. So that's a December swing low. And if you are looking, despite such a big rally today, if you are looking technically the market is still not long. Nifty will have to close above 25,900. So then only the Nifty becomes technically long. 25,180 or 25,200. I think I'm talking about a few months before. When that level was taken out, the Nifty became long, then went up to 26,400, came crashing down when it was 25,790 actually, like I say 25,800. When that level was broken, Nifty became short and then came more than 1,000 point down, and now trying to recover, and technically the markets become long only if Nifty closes above 25,900, which is still another 1% away, at least 200 points away. So these are the technical levels. Now, if you look at fundamentally, the rupee has appreciated nearly 2% from all-time low, and today alone it has appreciated about 1.5%. So, because of this, there is a hope that FII sentiment may change. 2018, 6 months before parliament election, BJP lost in all the 5 state elections and FII is continuously selling. And sometimes late February, when Indian fighter jets went to Pakistan, the sentiment changed. And from that day, FIIs have turned net buyers. Then the markets are rallied. So sometimes, you have to wait and see some sentiment change in FIIs. So far, FIIs have been net sellers almost on a day-to-day basis. Whether the $1 million question is, this Indo-US trade deal, will they change the sentiment of the FIIs? So anyway, we have to wait for today's FII data. If FIIs are net buyers, and then, sometimes, for one day they buy, the next day they sell. And now the people say they cover their shorts, but covering the shorts happens only in futures and options. What we are tracking is the cash market. So if FIIs turn that sentiment around and they start buying, so maybe 2 or 3 days we have to wait. And if Nifty momentum sustains, the rally will begin only when Nifty closes above 25,900. So let us see whether that happens tomorrow or day after tomorrow or maybe end of this week. We have got the news, but still is there any formal agreement between India and US signing? And there are more questions than answers. And India till now did not say anywhere that India will not buy Russian crude oil. But the Trump says, but India is not saying. And the Trump is also an irrational guy. Today he may say something and tomorrow he may say, no, India has not given commitment for stopping the crude oil for a purchase from Russia. So I am again increasing the tariff. So he is capable of doing all these things. And we have seen how many times he changed the tariff in the world. And although people say, India signed the trade deal with Europe, so America is left alone. So therefore, they do not want to take the risk. They are coming down and this and that. But at the end of the day, what matters is whether the FII flow is coming or not. So if FII sentiment changes and if they start buying and if Nifty closes about 25,900 in the next 2 to 3 days time, and then you can become bullish, the market can rally. That rally, the target is 28,000 by the end of December, right? Or if markets are too bullish, it can go even to 30,000 also. Remember, even if Nifty goes to 30,000, from 2024 September to December 2026, when it touches 30,000, the Nifty would have just given FD return only. Stock market is a place where you take the risk, you put the money, and then you should get better than the FD return. So therefore, I will not be surprised. So right now, our moderate target for the year is 28,000. Some important announcements. So my workshop, Chennai workshop is full already. We are looking for a bigger hall, whether to accommodate another 15-20 people. The fees, the concessional fees is over by February 1. Like I said, those who are paying now, so you have to pay the full fees. The full fees will be 75,000 plus GST. And I'm also planning a charity event in Chennai on the same day. So we are planning to, we have a trust where we help some poor children for their education and for poor people for feeding them also. So if you are willing to donate about 6,000 rupees to our charity, then you will be given a complimentary ticket to meet and greet or to have a dinner with PR Sundar. The 6,000 rupees if you are donating, our trust is a ATG registered trust. So you will be giving you the ATG certificate So 50% of that amount become non-taxable for you. You may think that 6,000 may be a big money, but the thing is, we need to spend about 3,000 rupees back, for the hotels arrangement and this and that, dinner, of course. And then the program will be like, I'll be talking for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, then again 45 minutes to 1 hour question answer, and then followed by dinner with PR Sundar. So wait for the details very soon. You will get a complimentary ticket to attend the event. So if you are willing to donate 6,000 rupees to our trust. Right. So wait for the details. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will announce some more measures for workshop also. So today, keep waiting. Everybody's waiting. I'm also waiting to see what is the FII data. So that's some more. Probably the domestic institutions might have sold, but FIIs should buy, and that too for a big amount. So that depends, tomorrow where the market is likely to open, whether the momentum will sustain or not. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.